Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a new video again, which is related to the Linux distributions. First of all, what is Linux distribution? A Linux distribution is a complete operating system built around the Linux kernel and various software packages that make it functional. These distributions include the kernel, system libraries, utilities, and application, often packaged in a way that is tailored to specific needs or the user preferences. These are hundred of Linux distributions. Each is designed for different use cases, ranging from personal desktop use to enterprise server environment. Some are community driven, and while other are maintained by commercial entities. So going to the next slide, we have like different categories. The main categories are Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora. Coming to Ubuntu, one of the most popular and user-friendly Linux distribution, often recommended for beginners. Based on Debian, it includes a wide range of software and polished graphical interface, popular for personal use but also used in server environments such as Ubuntu server. Coming to the Debian, known for its stability and reliability, Debian is often the base for other distributions like Ubuntu, focuses on free software and has a large responsibility of the software packages. It is often used for servers, especially in the production environment. Coming to the Fedora, sponsored by Red Hat, Fedora is a cutting edge distribution that focus on integrating the latest open source technologies. It's a community driven project and it's often used by developers and who want the latest features. GNOME is a default desktop environment, and like there are more distributions in the Linux, such as enterprise distribution, lightweight, security focused distribution, specialized distribution. Coming to the enterprise, these are commercial distributions that are optimized for a large scale deployments, focusing on reliability, long term support, and security, such as Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Coming to the lightweight distribution, these distributions are designed for older hardware or systems with limited resources, like we can say with the low RAM or slow processors, like Ubuntu is the example for that. Security focused things, say these distributions focus on providing enhanced security features and often used by professional working in security and forensics, like Kali Linux is the example for that. And coming to the specialized distributions, some Linux distributions are created with specific use cases in mind, like gaming, multimedia production, or education. For example, StreamOS is the specialized distribution. Uh, so these distributions, like choosing the different distributions, depends on the person. For beginners, most of the people use Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and for the developers, Fedora, Arch Linux, and the Manjaro. And for security, they'll use Kali Linux, as I told before, and like some people they use Cube's operating system. And for lightweight systems, Ubuntu, Puppy Linux, and NTX. For servers and enterprise, RHEL Center or operating system stream, Ubuntu server, and Debian are widely used in server environments with strong support for long-term deployment. uh, Coming to the summary, we have learned about the Linux distributions and which are tolerant versions of Linux design to meet the needs of the different types of users, whether they are beginners, developers, security professionals, or enterprise users. The key difference between them is often the choice of desktop environment, package management systems, and focus. For example, security performance. Some well-known distributions include Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, CentOS, and Arch Linux. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.